again. You probably heard the 3D printing in the background with whatever. Let's start with today's project, right? Let's not waste any more time. Okay, so quick recap. Uh, Today we are designing a connector. Yeah, a connector for the laptop dock. So let me just open it up really quick right here. I believe this is the one. Now everything is in place, and the only thing that I need to adjust here is the connector assembly right here. Ooh, this is actually pretty well done. The person doing this previously, Myras, right here. So let's open it so you guys can check the link. So basically this is a better version of laptop dock, and the only thing that, because the rails are very easy to remount, so it can fit a wide range of laptop. The only thing that you need to customize yourself is the connector right here. And probably this part, if the parts are a little bit invasive, uh, a bit more spread out, I believe he is make I assume this is a he. So I assume this is for only the Thunderbolt cable only. This is the mechanism. Yeah, so Thunderbolt cable. So let's go for the design. I already know the parameter of the design is to, let's check the parameter again. I believe it is an M3 bolt. M5 by 30. Is it the same thing? M5 by 30. Yeah. Hex head bolt. So let's check the design. Is this the one? No, connector assembly right here. Let's turn off all the stuff. Okay. So this part will be mounted to the desk. Easy enough. This part right here, okay, it is created in as a slot, so we can easily adjust it up and down according to the laptop. This is actually very well designed. We might or might not need to redesign this, so I just need to take some measurement. I believe I do need to make this distance wider. Let's see. Yep, I think everything is in place. Let's measure the diameter of this thing again. So use the measurement, radius, the radius of this. No. How do we measure radius of this circle? So what the, is it really measuring the radius? M5, right? Yeah, they're asking an M5 bolt. Let's check. Because I remember that M5 bolt is slightly larger because of the thread. But they say this is 5mm, so I don't. I'm a bit confused because in FreeCAD it also said that M5 is likely larger than 5mm. So this is like 5.5 millimeter. Let's see it together. So this is M5 diameter. No, this is the head diameter. Okay. Okay. So yeah, in this diagram there's zoom is 5. So what I'm seeing here, that even though the bolt is 5 millimeter, we have an extra 0.04, no, 0.4. Wait, what? Is it 0.4? Yeah, 0.4 millimeter clearance, which I think is good. Okay. What we need to do now is probably create a copy of this thing first. So yeah, I want to have something to reference later. So CV. So let's name it ThinkPad T14 Gen1. Okay. Because this is the model of the laptop I'm working with. This is the model of the laptop I'm working with. I should talk slower. Yeah, I need to be more mindful of what I'm saying, because that's the only way I can improve my pronunciation and pacing. Alright, so I already got this and this part printed out. Nice. Let me just grab the laptop and no, let's not use yeah. Let's just pause. Simply pause. Alright. Alright, we have this part right here. Laptop going this way then. And this part should be like that, and I think I have enough space for it. Yeah, I think I have enough space. Now from what I have been, printer is making scary noise again. From my last measurement, the clearance between the yeah, no, not the clearance, the clearance is for empty space. Yeah, clearance is a word that specifies the amount of empty space between two objects. This is not clear, this is just simply distant. So 8.74. So this is what I measured last time. There's no harm in double checking, so we'll have 1, 2, dang it. Alright. Things seems normal. Put the stuff in real quick. 1 and 2. Alright. Then we measure the distance between them, which is Funny. I am measuring 9.28 millimeter apart. So something's wrong. Something's very wrong now. Give me a sec. Yep, this is the correct dimension. This is the real dimension between these ports. So 9 point, let's give it a decent amount of number. I should make it a bit, give it a bit more clearance, yeah, to make it easier to fit and all that stuff. So I'm thinking, even though the accurate number, the measured number is 9, I think it's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's 9. It's 9. I have miscounted again. So 9.30 millimeter, but for the sake of giving it a bit more clearance, I will call it 9.20 millimeter. Alright, we got our first number. The distance between the two USB-C ports is 9.20 millimeter. I don't know why I wrote 8.74. So let's check it here. Alright, open this up, hide this thing, connect the frame. Yeah, I don't want this at the moment. Connect the frame and oh, this is the two bracket that is holding it together, right? So let's leave it there, but I want to work with the frame. Okay, this is the lower part. Or should I just design a whole new part for it? Because I have to design, redesign the lower part too. These parts are already chamfered. So yeah. Give me a second. This might be just a step file, right? Check it again. Okay, so it is only editable in Fusion 360, I guess. So all the parameter, I don't think we can reuse them. But yeah, it is a real shame that I can't reuse that. It looks really nice. So what I'm going to do, shit. This is a bit more annoying than I previously thought. I might need to what is the most lazy way I can get around this? Let's see. I can, this is the front, right? I can split it down the middle and add a space and add some space to it. Let me just bring it up my note here. So distance between about that. Okay, I do want to cut it in the middle. uh, okay, after that I want to measure to see if the already made USB-C connector is suitable for mine. So just give me a second. It is 11.33 millimeter for the Thunderbolt hub. 11.23, yeah. 11.33. Oh, it's actually 35. Yeah, let's do it again. Clean the caliper jaws. Alright. Put it in and yep, around 11.35 would be better. Now let's see what is the distance between no shortcut keyboard. Is it 11.33? Yeah, it is good. More room for us to walk around, more room for the hot glue to settle. It's good. Now let's measure the other one. It is also 11, that is slightly bigger, 11.5, 45, yeah. So no need to make everything fits like a glove. That's what I learned. And I just discovered that my bamboo printer have some problem with the dimensional accuracy. Alright. 12%, yeah, perfectly fine. I just need to cut it down in the middle and add a good amount of space between it. How are we going to do that? Let's start with the top piece, right? So with this top, can I just create a datum plane? Okay. How are we going to do this? To be honest, I have never cut an object in half and do this ever again. Do this ever. So we might need to change something. So I can select the face and create a datum plane, but how am I going to cut an object in half and change the parameter in the middle? So is this step 5? So can I okay, I do not have the sketch, so this is as best as I can cut. I do have the individual faces. That do I? Yep, I do seem to have the individual faces that I can work with, and this is already a solid. Can we use what we already knew and solve this puzzle? I think a bit of YouTube won't hurt. So how was I draw how to cut an object in free.
We're going to learn new drawings and change into part tools, and we use these cube tools to create solid object. So if you want to cut this object, I will use reference plane. You can click at this icon and we create new plane. I will set size into 20 and 20. Click on create. So we create this plane. Click close, and I will move this plane with transform tools. Like I will move to the top and to this point. Click OK. Now I will cut this box object or cube with this plane. You can select cube and the plane. Go to part menu and click split. Click slash part. So it will be automatically slash the object. You also can move, like for slash 0. I will move in recassis to this point. Click OK. How to edit this part, like for slash 0? You can go to part design and don't forget to select slash 0, like for this point. Click OK. How to edit this part, like for slash 0? You can go to part design and don't forget to select slash 0. Click create body, so to be automatically create for base feature in here. You can see base feature. You can hide this slash 1, and I will select at this face. We create new sketch, and I will draw circle. It's just example for editing this part. Close, and use packet tools to create hole. You also can view again for slash 1, so slash 1, and hide is for slash 0. Okay, that's it. How to cut solid objects in FreeCAD. And if you have any
I'm back. So some business to resolve. Let's get back to work, right? Frame. So the tutorial is go to part, create a normal plane, just a
Hello
physical
everyone,
plane.
today we are going to learn tools to create Solence plan. You can click at this icon and we create new plan. I will set and click at this icon. And we create new plan. I will set size into 20 and 20. Click on create. So we create this plan. Click close, and I will move this plan with transform tools. Like our 20 and 20. Click on create. So we create this plan to touch these cube tools to create solid object. So if you want to cut this object, I will
I've been talking in mute all this time. Let's do it again. So we have our active body. We go to create a plane, right? We're going to create a plane using this button, create primitive. A plane that is 20 only, 20 by 20 millimeter. Okay, the plane is right. It's okay. Can we choose the surface in which this will be attached to? Location in 3D view, right? Okay. I want to specify the location of the plane because right now it's not helpful at all. Okay, can I close? No, no. Alright. Oh, we have an active body now. That's nice. So in the future we need to remember giving it the blue check mark over here. Again, create primitive, select this plane, right? And with a parameter of 20 by 20 millimeter. It's not updating now. Okay. Okay, it got its dimension. Can I just rotate it 90 degrees like this? What the computer froze. So apparently it doesn't like that. So I want to, can I just okay, I'm too stupid to do this, so let's just keep it at that. Just press can I cannot move my cursor anymore. Alright, I don't like this, but okay, again. Okay, we got our plane. Again. Preview. We select this plane as a reference. We want to it somewhere near there. So just create that. Alright, and close. Okay.
Use reference plan. You can click up this icon and we create new plan. I will set size into 20 and 20. Click on create. So we create this plan. Click close, and I will move this plan with transform tools. Like I will move to the top.
Now we'll select the plane. Let's give it a name. Cut plane. Alright, we will transform it. Are there any shortcuts to transform this thing?
And to this point, we'll move this plane with transform tools.
So just right click, transform. Alright. We want two things. First is the rotational. So what happened if I click this? Alright, nice, perfect. We move it down. Okay, it is now cutting, but not where we want. So we need to change that by maybe creating a sketch in the middle so I can cut it maybe. Or maybe just, you know what, cutting in the middle is actually better. We need to find a way to cut accurately in the middle of this. So let's create a sketch, I guess. Alright, let's create a sketch so we can have something to reference. Yeah, let's just attach it to faceplane. I know it's usually pretty bad practice to do it, but okay, this button is not working. I cannot reference anything on this. Okay, we are having some technical difficulty. Let's change the plane a little bit. Let's make it 50 by 50 millimeter. Alright, we're gonna right click, transform, and move it into the position. Right, this is how we want to cut it. If we cannot just cut it, we have to compensate for the distance. It's easy, so let's do it. We can still clip, we can still keep this feature. So this, I think, is one of the downside of using this. Kind of just shot myself in the leg by using FreeCAD, but I'm willing to put up with that. In fact, I'm like willing to redraw the entire thing if needed to.
Like I will move to the top and to this point.
The plane to the position.
Click OK.
Nice.
Now I will cut this box object or cube with this plan. You can select cube and the plan. Go to part menu and click split. Click slash part.
Split. Go part, split, and splice apart. Okay. First, we need to take note on model. USDC distance is. Let's measure it first. Distance from this plane to this plane, it's 2.3 millimeter. So distance part. Oh my god. Oh, printer making scary noise again. It keep hitting all the surfaces. Just giving it clack sound. Really uncomfortable to hear it. Go to part. So I have to select both of them, like all three of these. Go to part, split, and slice apart. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Okay. Let's turn it all on. Not a plane. This thing is not cut, right? Yep, this thing is definitely not cut, and it's producing some kind of weird artifacts. Okay, let's move it back. How about we do it small this time? Just these two part, split and slice part. Much better now. And we will do the same with these two, split and slice apart. Okay, something's wrong here. Not this. So the low one is not cut. Alright, I'm gonna undo it one more time. Let's duplicate the cutter plane and put it here, maybe here. So we will use these two planes together. Part, split and slice apart. Okay, the lower part is beautifully cut. Now we have the upper part and this plane, part, split and slice apart. Nice. Okay, we got what we want now. Now we just need to add 6.9 millimeter into the gap we have here. So 6.9 millimeter right between the line. Okay, how are we going to do that? So it does not create a new object, right? Yep.
Part.
How do you do it?
So to be automatically slash the object.
Yep,
You also can move like for /0.
Oh, so we can. Wait, I don't have that option. So in the video, he have an option to.
Will move in recassis to this point, like for
maybe because no, what?
/0 menu and click split, click /part. So to be
okay, he got turned into the folder, and my didn't get turned into a folder. Oh, it's down here. It's down here. Stupid me. Yep. We got it right here. Should really name it again. Perfect.
automatically slash the object. You also can move like for /0. I will move in recassis to this point. Click OK. How to edit this part like for /0? You can go to part design and don't forget to select /0, click create body.
Oh, because this thing is not the body yet, so we need to create a body into it. Yes, right. I can now use the transform. Right. Okay, I want to transform it to the positive x-axis by 15 millimeter. No, by 6.9 millimeter. And placement, position, x-axis. So does it work like this? Point. Okay, this is perfect. Move it by 6.9 millimeter. Same for this. We'll move it in the x-axis by 6.9 millimeter. Right. Okay. Now we need to fill in. Yeah, I think this is yeah, this is why my way is suboptimal, because the chamfer is in the way and we need to create an entire extrude this surface up to this face. Alright, time for another tutorial. How to extrude to face in FreeCAD.
In this video I will show you how to create such a solid, and here, as a curiosity, I will show you how to thicken the selected wall. Create a new project in the Part Design module. Select Create Sketch. Select the XY plane. Then choose Create Circle and draw a circle with a diameter of 100 millimeters. To select the dimensioning diameter this constraint. Click Select through all and catch this command. Select this edge and add these two, the correct edge of occurrence. Now select the thickness of the walls, the thickness command. Check the make thickness inwards parameter. So and here and a 2 mm pocket 2 mm operation. And here enter 2 millimeters as the extrude length. Click OK. And in this way we added another 2 millimeters of material. See such a solid in which
So I've opened up FreeCAD 0.22, soon to be version 1. And we're going to look at solid sketch on new body. I'm not bothered, so we'll add a couple of circles. The part it'll be in here, something like that. Right click to cancel, and we'll create these to coincident with each other. To extrude it up, third one here. So these are all going to be extruded. Now, if I try to extrude the sketch, which I don't want, on sketch and selecting the edges as the profile. So I'm going to hold down the control key after I select my first edge here. Use the control key as I move around selecting those edges. I'm going to extrude this. And as you can see, I've extruded just those edges into a solid. It's a closed wire because I selected all those edges that are closed and press them. These two here. I can set them to what and extruding those. I can set them to what height I want. So I've extruded those both together. If I wanted to extrude them individually, I can take these two and
Got it. A bit cumbersome, but it will get the job done. Okay, create a new body. Oh, oh, stupid me, stupid me. I already got the body. Now I just need to select those two faces. I do need to press Control. Yes. Wait, what? No, again. So this one, right? Nope, nope, nope. There's it. Okay, create a new body. This is the body we are talking about. Select the two faces, extrude, and choose extrude up to face, and choose this face. I think we got it. I think now is no. I don't think we need to change it. Yep. I think we do need to fuse it together somehow. Okay. It isn't like that at all. So can I just okay. Can I just select the entire thing here and export it? Seems like I can. Let's check it. So we will name it USB-C connectors on ThinkPad T14 Gen1. Okay, we just created an STL for it. There's it. No, please don't fail. Top layer is getting bumpy already. I can already see that bumpy. Yeah, that bumpy thing. I hope it's gonna get flattened out as the print goes off. But at this point, there's no guarantee. I only choose 5% infill on the model I'm thinking. It might be a bit too fill, so the internal walls maybe fills it. I guess. This is mainly an effort to try to salvage it. Let's check our result. Boom. Boom. I think we got it. Unfortunately, it's printed. Okay. Can I cut it? I think I can just simply cut it, right? Yep. right here. That's where I want it. Perform cut. I don't want any connector here. Right. We got that one. And should be flush like this. And this one should be flush like this, if I presume correctly. Okay, the final step is probably to just check the orientation. So the cable we want to pull down from this, right? If it want to pull down, this is it. This contain the layer lines. This is the strongest flex orientation, but this one will not be as strong. However, I don't think it will be that critical in this situation. Yep, I don't think it will be that critical. Okay, we got it. Save. Of course, laptop. So this part are only structural, so no need for fancy layer height here. Let's make this face flush. Nice. So the hexagon will not be distorted. Same as this side. I don't know if I am willing to distort it a little bit. Because this side will pretty sure that it will produce a very nice internal finish for the USB connector. However, it would make the this part look terrible. Should I just flip it on the side like this? Now the hole will get distorted a little bit. Same as the hole on this side. Hard to decide. You know what? Since these two holes are gonna be distorted in the same way anyway, let's keep it that way. Yeah, the hexagon have good overhang anyway. So in this way there are no floaty region that really needs support. Alright, I think we got. Let's just slice the plate. See, 2 hours, good. 4.2 millimeter nozzle. This is a good to look for, and because we oriented this way, we don't need to worry about the stepping effect. This is gonna be covered up by a screw, a bolt. So yeah, I think we got it. No, toys, 3D printing, tools, laptop dock, save it. Boom, we are good, boy. And that is it for today's video, I guess. Wait, give me a second. Should I create a custom mount for all the ports on the laptop? Think about it. We already got the docking solution, and because the Thunderbolt 3 doesn't support one of my monitor at Full HD, I want to get a separate cable for it. Should I though? That's a bit of a hassle, to be honest. No. Let's not overreach our scope. We have set the scope today for the part, and we have done it. So thank you for watching. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. So stay tuned for my next step. Thank you and see you again.